Welcome to 369 Outdoors and Gear. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Opinel No.8 Chaperon pocket knife. This knife belongs to Opinel's traditional luxury range. Although it isn't a limited edition model, it is truly a piece of art. Each handle is individually handcrafted in Opinel's workshop using 4 different types of wood, making every knife unique. The 4 woods used are walnut, rosewood, wenge, and ash. The blade features a beautiful mirror-polished finish, giving the knife an elegant, premium appearance. As you can see on this example, the handle showcases all 4 timbers, creating a distinctive pattern that is unique to each knife. In my opinion, this is one of the most beautiful knives that Opinel has ever made. Thank you for watching.